Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the Jeep Avenger, the brand's smallest offering that's bringing a touch of rugged charm to city streets. Buckle up as we dive into what makes this compact crossover tick. First up, let's talk power. The Avenger comes with two flavors of petrol engine. You've got your base 1.2-liter that pumps out a modest 99 horses, paired with a slick 6-speed manual. But if you're feeling a bit greener, there's the e-hybrid. It keeps the same horsepower, but adds some mild hybrid tech for better fuel economy. Plus, it can even creep along on electric power for short distances. Neat, right? Now don't expect to win any drag races here, but for zipping around town, it's got you covered. The e-hybrid's automatic gearbox is particularly snappy when you need it to be. Jeep's gone for comfort over sportiness with the Avenger's ride. It soaks up bumps like a champ, making it perfect for those pothole-ridden city streets. The steering's light too, great for squeezing into tight parking spots. But if you're looking for the sporty feel of a Ford Puma, you might be left wanting. Step inside and you're greeted by a cheerful modern cabin. Sure, there are some hard plastics, but overall, it's a pleasant place to be. Tech-wise, you're looking at a 10.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And hallelujah, they've kept physical buttons for the climate controls. Space up front is generous, but your backseat passengers might feel a bit squeezed. The trunk's average for the class at 380 liters, enough for a weekend getaway, but maybe not a family road trip. Now here's where the Avenger really shines: value. It undercuts a lot of its rivals on price, and even the base trim comes well equipped. You're getting aircon, cruise control, and those fancy smartphone connections standard. So, what's the verdict? The Avenger brings that Jeep coolness to the compact crossover game without breaking the bank. It's not the most practical or exciting drive in its class, but it nails the basics with style. If you're an urban dweller who likes the idea of a Jeep but doesn't need all the off-road muscle, the Avenger could be your perfect match. That's a wrap on the Jeep Avenger. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.